So today we're doing a glam look, as you can see here, and I used different shades. Usually for holidays, everyone gravitates towards like silver and gold. So I did this aqua blue shade. I hope you guys like it. I feel like it looks so good with my nails too, like the gold and the blue together. So let's go ahead and get started. This is from Tarte, and this is the Sweet Escape palette. Look how beautiful, shimmery, sparkly, fun palette this is. And I use a lot of the neutral shades here in this palette, but I wanted to show you guys how we can transition into an evening look using a couple of shades here on the bottom, a little more color, a little more spice. To start, we're going to be using this 220 IT Cosmetics brush and just dip it right into this aqua shade called Carry On. I want to make sure that we're going to dab this onto the lid. So we're twisting the brush from this side to this side so that there's minimal fallout. Don't be scared if it's looking a little weird, it'll look really nice. Next, we're going to use the 112 brush from IT Cosmetics. We're going to dip into Upgrade, and I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner and the inner corner, avoiding the middle area. So after you're done applying the eyeshadow, we wanna make sure to blend. A lot of you are probably wondering, like, is you gonna leave it like that? Because girl, it's not looking that great. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in with the IT Cosmetics 105 brush to make sure that everything is seamlessly blended. So after I blended, I noticed I lost a little bit of that aqua shade, so I'm gonna go back in with Carry On. And again, I'm using the same brush and just dabbing that right into the shade and dab it back on the center of my lid. So you can go ahead and tweak it as you go. It doesn't necessarily have to be just in the center. To pull the look together, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of color on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead in with number 221 IT Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna just dab it into Upgrade. For the holidays, glitter is always the best. We want to shine, we want to look sparkly. So I'm going to use the Stila liquid eyeshadow and into the blue. And then I'm going to use number 24 IT Cosmetics brush to just dab it on there and make sure that it stays put. Do you see how that changes the look? It's just completely different. It's so sparkly, it's so me. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and this is the waterproof formula. I like to use this because this formula will stay on throughout the night. It's not going to smudge. Next, I'm gonna go in with Pure Lashes. These are the 3D lashes. They're cruelty-free and vegan. And I love that these are so full. These are in Socialite. So I'm applying the glue on the lash band here. And I just like to press it down with a tweezer. Also pressing along the lash line so that I make sure that it's as close to my natural lash line as possible. Oh my God, this powder, you guys. Have you guys tried this powder? It's so good. It's called Hydra-Set powder, and I love it. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe brush, and this is in number 2. Ooh, it's cold. It's not wet, it just feels like it's wet. It's really cool. You really have to feel this powder. So much smoother now. We're going back into this palette, and we're gonna use the Beach Bot bronzer, and this is in number 4. This is the Morphe in collaboration with Jaclyn Hill as well. I love that this brush is angled. It's perfect to apply on your cheekbones or underneath your cheekbones. Bring a little bit of color into your cheeks. I'm gonna use the Island Hopping blush from the palette as well. Now going in with one of my favorite highlighters. This is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I love how beautiful this is. Look at that. So we're applying it on the highest points of the face using my favorite highlighting brush, which is not a highlighting brush. This is a setting brush from Real Techniques, but I love using it as a highlighter brush. The nose area too, a little bit on the chin. We're gonna apply a little bit on the cupid's bow as well. Why not? So I'm gonna apply it here on my collarbones. As you can see, we have natural highlights and shadows. We wanna make sure we emphasize that a little more, take them out a little more. Maybe a little bit on the shoulder here. Now I'm gonna go in with a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, and this is in Truffle. Oh my God, I love this shade. To finish the lip, we're going to use Buxom's Lip Plumping Polish, and this is in Ariana. I love how sparkly this is and very gold. It kind of matches my nails. I love this primer and setting spray. This is a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. We're just gonna mist this all over and hope for the best. So this is my finished look. I went ahead and took it from day to night, as you can see. I love glitter, so we incorporated the glitter on the eyes and on the lips and added a little bit more of the glowiness to the skin here. So thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more holiday looks, and I'll see you then.